Hi dear friend, welcome back to our channel Tech Bidda. And today in this video I will show you how to install Kali Linux operating system on your Windows as a virtual machine. Before we start the video, I will ask you something that till if you not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon to get more these types of video. So let's start the video. First of all, go to here Chrome browser and search here Workstation 17 player for Windows. Then you will see here VMware official website. Open it. After that, scroll down and you will see here Workstation 17 player for Windows. Click on here download now. After that, install this Workstation player. Then again go to Chrome browser and type here kali.org. Tap on enter. Then here click on download and then select here virtual machine. Then you will see here VMware. Click on download icon. Download this file. After download this file, open your folder. Then you will see here a zip file like that. You need to extract it. For extract, click on right button here and click on extract all. Then you have to click on extract. I already extract this file. As you can see here my extracted file. Now let's open Workstation player. Click on open virtual machine. Then select your extracted file and open it. After that, you will see here your virtual machine. Click on here play virtual machine. Click on OK. As you can see, my Kali Linux operating system is open here. Now you need to type here username and password. Type here username Kali, K-A-L-I. Password is also same as username. Type here Kali. Then click on login. And finally, as you can see here, I got Kali Linux operating system on my Windows 11. So now I can utilize all facilities of Kali Linux operating system on my Windows machine. So friend, if you think this video is helpful for you, please don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button of this video. And if you have any queries, let me know in the comment. I will try my best to help you. Thanks for watching this video.